Welcome to the new EyeLive studio. As you can see, we have all new graphics, a TV screen that advertises in the window, and well, come on inside. You might recognize that girl. Maybe. Well, let's go in. Wait for more light. So as you can see, we have a reception area, everything we need here, and then we have a television. Because most people don't speak English here, I have an explanation video that explains the whole process. And we made it very simple. And then afterwards, this screen is brought inside as it's on wheels. And then each pose that the model's going to do is just going to show up on here. And then they can just mimic and copy the pose they see on the screen. So we made it so that you really don't have to communicate in English. You can just point and show. Okay, so come on in here into the main studio area. We have two large soft boxes here. We have a steady light here as well. And then over there is a beauty dish that I can swap out. So it makes it easy. We have different props, so chairs and stools. The one over here. We have a table here that we can set up also. And as you can see, it's very well lit. And the reason it's really bright is because I'm going to be doing a lot of stock photography here. So that's the kind of stuff that you see where if you were going to create a new website and you needed some photos to show on your website, you could buy the rights to use them at like stockphotography.com. There's so many different companies. And so those are the type of photos I'm going to do the most of. And then for each photo shoot, I'll have a couple artistic projects that I want to do that I've already done with EyeLive in the past. And then, let's go back here. This is the change room. And as you can see, we have a wide assortment of costumes. Right now we are doing age 5 to 15 of girls. And so all the costumes right now are based on that age group. We have different shoes all along the bottom here. And then we have back in this corner some various props, like everything from boxing gloves to soccer ball, stuffed animal there, an umbrella, different kinds of things. And we have a few blow up things because this is a beach community. So we're gonna have like the big tubes, and we have snorkel and the mask and the flippers. And we're going to do all kinds of those type of stock type of photography. And we of course got hair clips things, little wings, stuff like that in the corner here, along with a couple hats so far. But when we see things, we're gonna buy them. So this will be the change room. They can close the curtain. They have a bathroom, and pretty basic. And we still have to install a full-length mirror, which will go here so that they'll be able to see before they come out. And that is the whole studio. The incredible part about this whole studio is it is only a whopping, drum roll please, $200 a month. That's it. This huge space is only $200 a month. Absolutely crazy. Now, utilities are extra. But since I'm using it as a studio, I'm told I can expect anywhere from $5 to $10 for the electric and $5 for water, which is the basic fee. So incredibly low cost. A couple of these things did, cost money. We were lucky enough to find a store in the capital city that sells this type of stuff. But for the most part, all the work I got done in here is very low cost labor. This country is really, really inexpensive to get things done. So this whole studio here was done very, very economically, and we're ready to start shooting. So really excited. Gives us a great project, something to build an income with here in Albania. We recently, on Friday, it's now Saturday, we registered a business and so that we will have a VAT number by Monday, and although all our income will be done online. But that's it. That's the big studio tour. Really excited and happy.